الو السلام عليكم. آه ان شاء الله احنا اليوم حنبدا في اللي هو درس تبعنا في يونت 2. طبعا احنا بتعرفوا احنا احنا بالنسبه لتعليق الدراسه ان شاء الله حنكون الموضوع تبعنا كله ان شاء الله خلال اللي هو الفيرتشوال كلاسز. فبالنسبه للفيرتشوال كلاسز احنا طبعا حشرح الوحده نرفعها ان شاء الله على البلاك بورد بحيث انه كل طالب يكون متاح له. الآن بالنسبة أي استفسارات أي تعليقات أي حاجة إن شاء الله خلال موضوع اللي هو الدسكشن بإذن الله. ممكن عن طريق الواتساب، ممكن عن طريق إيميل، أي شيء خاص بالمادة ممكن إن شاء الله إحنا نتعامل معه بحيث نسهل العملية التعليمية. طيب خلينا نبدأ اليوم. إحنا بالنسبة عنا في اللي هو البادي سيستمز اللي هي يونت 2 is talking about اللي هو body systems. طبعا from the first part you can see طبعا I think إنه most of you they have studied اللي هو البيولوجي which is connected to body system. وزي ما انتم شايفين احنا عندنا units, the smallest units in our body we call it cells زي ما انتم شايفين that I highlighted with اللي هو yellow, and we have a group of similar cells that they can form tissues. Also the group of tissues working together and form for us organ, and the group of organs working together just to form for us systems. بناء على ذلك أنا I want from you to put those two questions which are very method that I indicated here. As you can see, what is the smallest unit in the body, the smallest unit in the body, and also we have to know that the answer of this one is cell. And what is the structure of the units in the body? The structure of the units in the body, here we're talking, I think most of you they know that because I think they talk this and study this in biology. Now inshallah I will form it for you here in Word to tell you what I mean about the structure of the body. So we are starting from the smallest unit, which is cell, to the group of organs which form for us system. We are waiting till the word is opening. Okay, now the word is opening. Okay, I will show it to you now. So as we can see that we have units. Now we have a group of units form us tissue. Sorry, not units, cells. A group of cells form us what tissues, and a group of tissues form organs, and a group of organs working together to form what a system. Okay, why I put it like this? Just to show it to you what is the smallest unit, and the smallest unit is the main component of the system. Okay, so just to explain it more and just to be clarified for you, we put arrows here just to show it. Okay, I find it here. Yes, so we are starting from the smallest one to the the biggest. Okay, as you can see here, I put it just to make it clear. Okay, okay, this is the structure of our body. We are starting from cells to the system. Okay, so to answer the first question, what is the smallest in the body? Okay, we knew that the answer is cell. And what is the structure of the units in the body? We have to start with cell, then after cell we have to put tissue. After tissue we have a group of tissues working together is organ, and we have a group of organs working together to form us what systems. So of course the questions on this, it can be different. I might give you what's the definition of tissue, what's the definition of organ, what's the definition of a system. So group, what's the definition of tissue? We can say this is the similar cells grouped together is tissue. Or if we ask you what's the definition of organs, we can say that collection of different tissue working together are organs. And what is the definition of system? We can say that the group of organs working together that form us what system. Okay. طيب. Let us move to the second part, starting with systems in our body. So as you can see here, I highlighted with the green just to make it different from others. I highlight each system with the green just to know that. So the circulatory system is the first one. In Arabic, we have to know it in Arabic, okay? Just to get knowledge about this one. Circulatory system اللي هو الجهاز الدوري الدموي طبعا. الآن جهاز الدوري الدموي we have three components or three parts of whatever يعني. We have three components of circulatory system. The first one, which is the main heart, and we have the second one is blood and three blood vessels. So we have three: heart, blood, and blood vessels. Okay. Here we have to put this question. I put it for you here. It's shown here in the. Right. You have to put it. What are the components of circulatory system? What are the components of circulatory system? I want from you to write it. What are the components of the system? But I'm saying that what المكونات اللي هو الجهاز الدوري الدموي. They are very important. We have three: heart, blood, and blood vessels. الآن blood vessels اللي هي الأوعية الدموية. As you can see, blood vessels consist of also three parts. We have three parts of blood vessels: arteries اللي هي الشرايين. Okay. We have veins اللي هي الأوردة. And the smallest, between them we have capillaries. Okay. Capillaries. هذه طبعا ايش؟ أن اللي هي مكونات اللي هو أنواع types of blood vessels. حتى we can write it here. We can write it here. What are the types of blood vessels? زي ما حكينا احنا we have three type of blood vessels. We have اللي هو arteries, veins, and the smallest اللي هو الأصغر شيء between them that we have what capillaries. Going back to this. اوكي الان احنا زي ما انتم شايفين احنا تكلمنا عن السيركولاتوري سيستم. قلنا الكومبوننتس على السيركولاتوري سيستم هو الهارت، blood vessels. بعدين تكلمنا after this we have talked about the types. As you can see that types of blood vessels, and we said that the answer of this one is arteries, veins, and capillaries. Now the main question on this one, which is really important for each system, كل هاي, what is the function? As you can see here on the right, what is the function of circulatory system? Function of circulatory system. طبعا احنا for each system we have a function that this system proceed inside our body and responsible for. So the function of the circulatory system, this is the answer. This is the answer is transport blood. طبعا زي ما حكينا احنا اللي هو function of circulatory system هو transports blood to all parts of the body. طيب الآن let's move to the second body system اللي هو the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system. What I mean by lymphatic system in Arabic يعني الجهاز الليمفاوي. طيب الجهاز الليمفاوي، وظيفة الجهاز الليمفاوي إذا في حد ممكن يذكرنا اللي هو like you can see here الfunction هذا which is very important, the function of lymphatic system that ايش عنا what is it fight against disease and play an important role in immunity. هذه تحطون عليها السؤال what is the function of lymphatic system اللي هو الجهاز الليمفاوي احنا عندنا في الجسم. طيب الجهاز الليمفاوي زي ما حكينا احنا عندنا اللي هو قلنا الفانكشن تبعه قلنا اللي هو fight against disease and play an important role in immunity. اوكي الان الكومبوننتس زي ما تعودنا الكومبوننتس اوف اللي هو الليمفاتيك سيستم زي ما انتم شايفين includes lymph cells and nodes that carry a clear fluid called lymph. اذا عندنا الكومبوننتس اوف lymphatic system احنا ممكن نحط عليها السؤال this one what are the components of lymphatic system اللي هو الجهاز الليمفاوي. طبعا الكومبوننتس اوف lymphatic system اللي احنا رجعنا هنا اللي هو two components يا ريت هذا تحطوا له علينا خط اللي هي lymph cells and nodes اللي هم الاثنين زي ما انتم شايفين. اوكي غير لون طبعا زي ما تعودنا قلنا احنا للمكونات حنحط اللون الاحمر. اوكي اذا انا lymph cells and nodes قلنا الفانكشن اللي هو fight against disease and play an important role in immunity. اوكي ننتقل اللي هو الجهاز الاخر move to another system digestive system. The digestive system also we highlighted in green, change color green, okay, because the system we have to change the color. Now the digestive system brings food into the body and it breaks it down. This one brings food into the body and breaks it down so that it can enter the bloodstream. This is the function of digestive system. So if you have a question about what is the function of digestive system, so you have to put it here. What is the function of digestive system? طبعا زي ما حكيت أنا from the beginning we have system, we have components of system that are very this is very important just to memorize it, and also we have function اللي هو وظيفة كل system. okay so you have to understand it and you have to know it also. طبعا ال components here are not mentioned here in this one, but we know that what are the components starting from the mouth, then we have esophagus, and we have stomach, we have small intestine, we have liver. All of these are components of digestive system but are not mentioned here, so we are not gonna ask you about this one. Now move to the fourth system, the endocrine system, and we have to highlight it also and put it as we have said before in green. Endocrine system. In the first unit we have talked about this endo is a prefix which means, as we we have studied and we explained, that means inside or within. We are talking here about اللي هو الغدد الصماء glands that secretes inside the bodies. It's easy. As we said, endocrine system, so it's composed of what? Glands. So the main component of this one, glands, just only glands. And also we have to highlight, okay, put it in red. So the main component, endocrine system. Another question, endocrine system. What are the components of endocrine system? So as I have said, endocrine system composed of glands. Now what's the function? What's the function of this system? The function is also important. Send chemical messengers called hormone into blood to act on other glands and organs. This is very important because we know that the function of the gland is just producing and secreting hormones اللي هو الافرازات secretion into bloodstream to act on the other gland and to organize the work inside our body. So here we have this send, sorry, I'm not good in drawing, but I'm trying my best. This here we can say that what is the function? What's the function of endocrine system? Okay. Okay, let's move to the other, system. We have female and male reproductive system. The female and male, we have two reproductive systems. The first one is male and طبعا احنا هنكمل الان زي ما قلنا اللي هو الفيميل اند ميل ريبرودكتيف سيستم. زي ما حكينا هذا احنا عندنا تو سيستم، الجهاز التناسلي الذكري والجهاز التناسلي اللي هو الانثوي. زي ما حكينا طبعا الهايلايت اللي هو with green in order to differentiate it from other. Okay, now the function. What is the function of each system? The function of each system. The function here produce the cells اللي هو eggs and sperm. Produce the cells, eggs and sperm. This is the function of each system. الفيميل عنا هذه عنا اللي هو producing eggs and the male producing sperm. Okay, this is the function. فإحنا we have to put it here. We can say that male reproductive system produces sperm اللي هي الحيوانات المنوية، and اللي هو عندنا اللي هو female reproductive system produces هنا X اللي هو البويضات. اوكي، طبعا هذا احنا زي ما حكينا اللي هو الفانكشن. This is the function. This is the function. اوكي، this is زي ما حكينا احنا ايش عنا الفانكشن of female reproductive system. اوكي اوكي now اللي هو الorgans of each one. الorgans طبعا بالنسبة للميل we have testes اللي هي الخصيتين, and female they have what ovary 6 organs. Okay, now what's important هذا this is very important also and we have to know it. the eggs and the sperm they join together to form embryo اللي هو الجنين, and then here we have to put it. Okay, we have to put it this one. Sorry. Okay, now this note ملاحظة مهمة جدا. Egg and sperm join to form embryo. Sorry. Okay, اللي هو okay, to form embryo, this is really important note. okay. اذا زي ما حكينا احنا عنا اللي هي الفيميل and female reproductive system. الفانكشن produce eggs for female and produce sperm for الميل reproductive system. قلنا الأعضاء أو المكونات بالنسبة للميل we have testes اللي هي الخصيتين and we have female اللي هو الأوفري. اوكي reproductive system الأوفرز اللي هي المبيض. اوكي طيب الآن تكلمنا احنا عن السيستمز. عندنا till now we have 5 systems: circulatory system, lymphatic system, digestive system, endocrine system, female reproductive system and male reproductive system. So we have 6 till now. طبعا الرسم اللي أمامكم this is the drawing shows for us the structure of the body. عندنا we have cells, the smallest unit, and group of cells form as tissues, and group of organs form group of tissues form organs, and group of organs form system. Okay, now moving to other systems, we have here musculoskeletal system اللي هو جهاز العظم العضلي. And this one is with